Visualize this, an immense and diverse digital cosmos, surging with an intoxicating sense of wonder and infinite possibilities. A digital expanse so vast, so boundless, that it challenges the very limits of the human mind. It's a universe where the horizon is not a fixed point, it is an illusion, extending farther than any visionary can perceive. A universe that not just embraces, but fervently fuels the spirit of exploration, innovation, breaking the mold and pushing the boundaries of creativity. This world is a kaleidoscope of cultures, experiences, perspectives, a fusion of thoughts and visions. It's an existence not confined by the physical laws or limitations we know, but flourishes in a digital space, where the only barriers are the ones set by the imagination. This digital universe is dynamic, ever-expanding, continually evolving. It exists in a state where the idea of stagnation is obsolete, and change is the only constant. With each virtual step we take, with every corner we explore, a new opportunity for discovery unfolds. It's a platform that encourages the uninhibited expression of creativity, of limitless imagination. In this realm of bytes and pixels, every voice resonates. Here, there are no barriers, no prejudices, no limitations. It's a space that celebrates diversity, appreciates uniqueness, and thrives on individuality. It is a universe where every voice, no matter how distinct or unheard, echoes through the digital ether. In this wonderland, the ordinary is elevated to the sublime. Concepts, thoughts, visions, they don't just come to life, they transcend, they progress, they resonate. The mundane acquires a fresh coat of extraordinary, the typical transforms into the exceptional, the basic evolves into the profound. Welcome to this bewitching universe of digital creativity, where every idea is a seed eager to sprout, every dream a bird ready to take flight, every voice a symphony waiting to reverberate. Welcome to a world where every pixel pulsates with possibility, every frame brims with potential, every moment is ripe with the promise of the extraordinary. Welcome to this astonishing universe of digital creativity, a playground for creative minds, a canvas for endless possibilities, a stage for every voice, a platform for every dream. Welcome to YouTube. There's a story that needs telling, a tale as old as time, yet as fresh as the morning dew. It's the story of us, of you and me, of every human being who has ever dared to dream. It's a story that transcends borders, cultures, and languages. It's the story of humanity. In this digital age, we are all authors and artists, scribes and sculptors, weaving intricate tapestries of thoughts, emotions, and experiences. We are the architects of this digital landscape, shaping it with our words and actions, our likes and dislikes, our shares and subscriptions. Every video is a new chapter in this grand narrative. Every view a testament to our shared human experience. Every comment a conversation that spans continents. Every like a nod of approval. Every share a ripple that spreads across the vast ocean of the internet. We are more than just consumers of content. We are creators, curators, and critics. We are the heartbeat of this digital world. Our collective actions determine what rises to the top, what trends, what goes viral. In this great tapestry of digital storytelling, every thread matters. Whether it's a hilarious cat video, an inspiring TED Talk, a mesmerizing music video, or a thought-provoking documentary, each one contributes to the vibrant, ever-evolving tapestry that is YouTube. Here's to the dreamers, the thinkers, the doers. Here's to the artists and the artisans, the vloggers and the bloggers, the gamers and the gurus. Here's to you, the creators, the viewers, the sharers, the subscribers. You are the heart and soul of this digital universe. Now the power is in your hands. Share this message. Subscribe to the channels that inspire you, like the videos that move you. Be part of this incredible story. After all, this is your world. This is our world. This is YouTube. Remember, every view matters, every like counts, every share makes a difference, every subscription is a vote of confidence. So, make your voice heard, make your vote count, make a difference, make YouTube yours. And in the end, remember this. We are all storytellers, and every story matters. So, keep watching, keep sharing, keep subscribing. Because together, we can shape the future of digital storytelling. Together, we can make YouTube a vibrant, inclusive, and inspiring place for everyone. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can change the world.